It's going to feature some significant enhancements for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to feature a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor, and a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor. First, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to feature an improved 200-megapixel main camera, the ISOCELL HP2SX, in place of the HP2 on the S23 Ultra. This is the first of a couple of things you should know. Second, there won't be a 10x telephoto sensor, which means that the S24 Ultra will take 10x zoomed-in pictures using a 50-megapixel 5x optical zoom sensor. If you're disappointed that the S24 Ultra won't have a 100x zoom, rest assured that it will have a 100x zoom with a new 50-megapixel telephoto sensor, though how good it will be remains to be seen. It's also worth noting that the S24 Ultra now allows the S24 Ultra First Look is now available. A couple of renderings are available online. As we all know, the S24 Ultra will feature a flat display, but it won't be completely flat. The sides of the S24 Ultra will be slightly curved, and there is a reason why Samsung chose the flat display. In order to save costs, Samsung chose to manufacture a flat display instead of a curved display, however there are certain benefits to doing so. First, Samsung was going to use a new display technology called M13 displays to produce a phone with the highest possible maximum brightness. The symmetrical bezels and a brightness of 2500 nits come second, and all four sides will weigh the same. As an extra bonus, the bezels on the base model S24 and S24 Plus were even thinner than the recently released iPhones. Along with the new displays, Samsung is going to change the design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The sides are now made of titanium, but there's a bad news: it's possible that the titanium build could cause heating issues, similar to those that plagued the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you're still wondering about the batteries, they're the same 5000 mAh battery with the 45-watt fast charger. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.